Welcome to Designer Link Channel, your ultimate destination for garden inspiration. We're passionate about transforming outdoor spaces into breathtaking havens. From the tiniest balcony to expansive terraces, we'll guide you through a world of design possibilities. Whether you prefer the serene elegance of a Japanese Zen garden, the vibrant exuberance of a tropical oasis, or the classic charm of a Mediterranean courtyard, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore a plethora of styles, practical tips, and stunning visuals as we create your dream garden together. Cactus garden design next to a modern White House overall aesthetic. A minimalist and contemporary desert oasis, contrasting the stark White House with the organic textures and forms of the cacti. Exterior finishes. White House, a clean and modern backdrop for the vibrant cactus garden. White sand path, a minimalist and low-maintenance pathway, providing a clean and modern look. Natural white stones, interspersed within the sand path, adding texture and visual interest. Cactus garden design. Variety of cactus. Incorporate a diverse collection of cacti, from tall columnar varieties to small globular ones. Succulent companions. Include other succulents like aloe vera, agave, and echeveria for texture and color. Rock formations. Use rocks of various sizes to create a natural and desert-like environment. Minimalist accessories. Opt for modern and minimalist planters or sculptures to complement the design. Overall impression. A striking and low-maintenance outdoor space that creates a sense of tranquility and wonder. The contrast between the White House, the sandy path, and the vibrant cacti creates a visually captivating and modern desert oasis. Reasons to design a cactus garden. A cactus garden next to a modern White House with a white sand path offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and low maintenance. Here's why. Aesthetic appeal. High contrast. The stark White House and sand provide a dramatic backdrop for the vibrant cacti. Modern minimalism. The clean lines and simplicity of the design align with contemporary trends. Low maintenance. Cacti require minimal care, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Functionality. Drought tolerance. Cacti are well suited to dry climates, reducing the need for frequent watering. Unique space. Creates a distinctive and conversation-starting outdoor area. Versatility. Can be adapted to various climates and house styles. Psychological benefits. Stress reduction. The minimalist design and low maintenance can promote relaxation. Inspiration. The unique and exotic nature of cacti can stimulate creativity. Sense of accomplishment. Growing and caring for cacti can be rewarding. Environmental benefits. Water conservation. Cacti require minimal water, making them environmentally friendly. Biodiversity. Can attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. By combining these elements, a cactus garden can create a striking and sustainable outdoor space that complements a modern White House. How to start designing your cactus garden. 1. Assess your space. Measure the area. Determine the dimensions and shape of the available space. Sunlight. Assess the amount of sunlight the area receives. Most cacti prefer full sun. Soil conditions. Check the soil type. Cactus prefer well-draining soil. 2. Choose your cactus collection variety. Select a mix of cacti with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Climate considerations. Choose cacti that are suitable for your climate. Maintenance. Consider the care requirements of different cacti. 3. Design the layout. Focal point. Determine the centerpiece of your garden. It could be a large cactus or a unique rock formation. Arrangement. Consider different planting arrangements like rows, spirals, or clusters. Pathways. Plan the placement of the white sand path and natural stones. 4. Incorporate other elements. Succulents. Add variety with other succulents like aloe vera, echeveria, or sedum. Rocks and gravel. Use different sizes and colors of rocks to create visual interest. Outdoor furniture. Consider adding a bench or seating area for relaxation. 5. Consider maintenance watering. Determine the watering needs of your cacti. Fertilizing. Research the appropriate fertilizers for cacti. Protection. Protect your cacti from extreme weather conditions. By following these steps, you can create a stunning and low-maintenance cactus garden that complements your modern white house. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.